So far, so good. Okay, so I just want us to use that is one of our updated robots to trade market like over 5 and 4 and see how they'll actually perform. So we are still in the progress of trying to take this account to the moon. Okay, and I want us to use just any robot. For example, you can use let's trade over 5. We'll use this robot you call the overdream. Then we'll just do some few adjustments. Okay, so just load the robot. You can actually see this an overdream. It's actually set by default to trade over 4, so you'll actually be adjusting that to over 5. Then change the material. Something else that we can also change is the entry point. Okay, so just load the robot, and you can actually see it's set by default to actually work with the two volatilities, which is fine. I can set up my stake. I'll only do 25 USD. Target profit, we can do $100. You can actually see the target profit here. Then the stop loss, click here. I'll set to 5 consecutive losses. So if we hit 5 consecutive losses, the robot will switch to we'll actually hit our stop loss. Then when it comes to the prediction, we'll actually be doing over 5. So you can actually see market 1 over prediction digit is 5. Then the multiplier, we're going to change the martingale to 1.5. So instead of working with the martingale factor of 2, we'll actually be using 1.5. Yeah. Then something else that we can also change is the entry point. So just click here, choose strategy, and you can actually see if there are 3 digits are under 5, then trend that is we are actually trading that is over 5. Yeah, it's over 5. So if there are 3 digits are under 5, so we'll change this to under 6, because when you're actually trading over 5, our entry point should be digit 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. Yeah, then instead of working if there are 3 digits are 3, we'll change this to 4. So if the last 4 digits are under 6, then execute a trade on over 5. Yeah, then let's see how this works out. So before you trade, if you are trading with a speedbot, you need to make sure you have a good net, a good internet with some good latency. When you talk of some good latency, it should be from 15 microseconds and below. So internet speed can be, that is from 10 Mbps and above, but the latency must be 15 microseconds and below, both upload and download, less than 15 microseconds. Okay, so I'll just click run and let's see what happens. Our first trade is already executed on volatility 10.1s. Yeah, that's our second trade. Amazing. We only need like I think like just 2 more trades and we hit our target profit. And so far you can actually see the performance is amazing. So we have also set the robot in such a way that if we happen to hit 2 consecutive losses, the robot will pause a bit and wait for a fresh entry points. Yeah, so the second trade was executed. You can actually see after those 2 consecutive losses, the robot has paused, and right now the robot is actually waiting for fresh entries, and you can actually see it's actually a win. So that actually helps so that you don't hit back-to-back losses. Amazing. And that's how we hit our target profit of $100. And don't forget, this is over 5, yeah, which is a bit higher risk market, but with good payout, because you can actually see we are staking $25 and winning that one. It's a high payout, it's a good well-paying market. So if you check here, the moment we are hitting on a loss, 2 consecutive losses, the robot was actually pausing a bit. So this is what we are actually using, what we call the LDP pause count. So after we hit our our second loss, the robot will actually pause a bit and wait for fresh entry points. That normally help so that you don't find yourself hitting on multiple losses that is on a single entry point. So we always give the robot some time to analyze the market again and give us a fresh entry, and you can actually see how it actually performed. So all you need to do is just visit Eric Traders and do those small modifications, and you'll actually be in a position to trade over 5. You can actually see it's a very easy market. So you'll also take another trade probably on underform. That is after some few, we just take a break for some time, then once we come back later, we're gonna give a try on underform market and see if we'll actually get the justice. Goodbye guys.